Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel guys. So guys, today I'm discuss topic about that how we can promote Instagram post by using Facebook option. So here follow the steps properly. First you can log in by Instagram and Facebook. After every Instagram will be connecting your Facebook page first step. Every Facebook page and Instagram compulsory first step. After the connection will be done, so it is properly connected or not, how to check? We can go to inbox. They show for Instagram options. Here all options will be given by the Instagram. This all will be we can give to the particular inbox option. So in inbox, we have to verify that is a connect or not. Second thing is called when you're posting through Facebook Creator Studio, it will be published properly onto the Instagram option along with the Facebook option. So once it's done, what is the next step? So in this one, we have to create ad is there. In this one, we have select option name is boost Instagram post. Only I can target my Instagram post, not for the Facebook and Instagram. So here, selecting the what are the posts you have to promote it, select the boost post option. So right now I'm selecting for boost post option. First of all, select the proper audience. So how many age target you people will be target and what are the country you will be specifically target here. Done. And when you're creating time, the arrow will be should properly mentioned by the middle. So detail target, you can call for digital marketing, SEO. What are the options you can select here? Here, potential traffic will be 10 lakhs people will be potential target. After target your audience, how many days you running the ad? So minimum 4 days compulsory running. If you less than 4 days, they can't accept. Is a boost post particular option. So how much your budget? So my budget will be very less. They can't accept it. Minimum daily 80 rupees. 80 into 4 days. 240. You can go with the option. So I'll go with the 300. So it will be reach 634 to 1.8K reach. Video views will be 77 to 222. So I can promoting for this video. The final amount will be 300 rupees for budget, 50 rupees will be tax. Totally 350 rupees will be charged from Instagram boost post purpose. Particular one post will be target by using Facebook. There is a particular budget will be selected by daily 80 rupees to 90 rupees. Here is the option. If you go this one is error. Minimum 70 rupees required. So, so 300 will be accept. So here just 73 calculator. 73 into 4, 292. So that is the reason is we can go with the 300. They will accept it. So boost post only one drawback. The specific time we can't select. Only particular duration will be select for the 4 days. Custom date selection not possible and running will be continue lifetime. It is not possible. The end date will be compulsory mentioned in the boost post option. It is minimum require 4 days. Less than 4 days, the campaign does not create Instagram post to promoting Facebook option. This method keep it in mind to work on Instagram post. Finally, here click for boost now post, add your payment and start your ad option. The payment method debit or credit card, UPI, payment and net banking option. These are the future you can use promote your ad, which ad Instagram promoting post ad through paying for Facebook option. This method only eligible which Facebook page connecting for Instagram option. So any doubts regarding this option, you can ask me anytime to my channel. I definitely will be support. Based on the budget, reach and views and traffic will be shown to the customers on your particular Instagram post. Based on the image, based on the video. So previous I'm selecting for video. Now I'm selecting for image. Same will be here. So 300, it will be coming to this one. Post engagement and reach will be. So based on the budget. So these are the way we can select the post option and the video option. So this will be select and increase the post engagement video views by using Instagram post and the boost option by using Facebook. Note is called Facebook page connecting Instagram mandatory feed. One Facebook page connecting only for one Instagram account. For the any doubts, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.